Hello there guys, and welcome to week number 7 of the Red Nose Day unboxings. Yes, last week you also know that we took a break from actually in the box so I could show you some of my rare noses. But back to our regularly scheduled programming, we're back in the box. This is week number 7 of the weekly videos of the year, I guess. So let's crack into the box, shall we? We are running a bit thin, but we'll go for it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know the drill. And I'm actually going to mix these up while I'm here, ready for next time, because I know that as soon as I turn them upside down anyway, it'll all be labelled like this. So I'll just make my job easier for next time. There we go. You're welcome, future Andy. So here we go. 5 more boxes. These are boxes 26 to 30. We're almost in the final stretch. If you are opening these with knives, then please be careful. Get an adult's supervision, or even get an adult to do it. Or you could just peel it off, but I'm too lazy to peel it off, and that will make the box look ugly. Anyway, we'll crack in. Box number 1 of week number 7, we have got Sky, the giraffe. Can we do the same as what we did last time, which was get an entire video with no duplicates in it? Let's see. Box number 2, and we have Dot. It's looking promising. Dot the cheetah. No, don't fall over. Ah, dear. Tell you what, these noses, they don't do what you want them to. Then again, they do say don't work with children or animals. So yeah, I guess work with animals. Box number 3. Oh no, we have Dot. Dot, Dotty. What are we gonna do with you, eh? Well, I know at least one of the dots is going to go into a clear box and be part of my collection. Box number 4, box number 29, we have Flo, the flamingo, always ready for a song and a dance, just like me, but I'm not doing any of that on camera. And the last one we have Rocco, the crocodile. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Those are our 5 noses for this week. I don't know why I'm rushing through these videos. I mean, I think it's because I know that I need to get these uploaded and ready to go ASAP, really. But yeah, those are our 5 noses for this week. Let me know what your favourite nose from these collections are. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Adios.